Understanding the Basics of Graphic Design, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Hello, creative minds. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Rashid Tech. In today's video, we're diving into the fundamental principles of graphic design. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring designer, understanding these basics will help you create visually appealing and effective designs. So, let's get started. Introduction to graphic design. Graphic design is the art of visual communication, combining images, typography, colors, and layout to convey a message or evoke an emotion. It plays a crucial role in various industries, from advertising and marketing to web design and branding. Elements of graphic design. To create impactful designs, we need to understand the key elements of graphic design. Let's explore them one by one. Lines provide structure and direction in a design. They can be straight, curved, or implied, and help guide the viewer's eye. Shapes are two-dimensional objects that can be geometric, organic, or abstract. They add structure and visual interest to a design. Color is a powerful tool in graphic design. It creates mood, evokes emotions, and helps establish brand identity. Understanding color theory and using color harmonies is essential. Typography refers to the art and technique of arranging type. Choosing the right fonts, sizes, and spacing is crucial for legibility and conveying the intended message. Texture adds depth and tactile qualities to a design. It can be actual, such as the feel of a material, or visual, created through patterns and gradients. Principles of graphic design. Now that we have a grasp of the elements, let's explore the fundamental principles that guide graphic design. These principles provide a framework for creating visually pleasing and effective designs. Balance refers to the distribution of visual weight in a design. It can be symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial, and helps create a sense of harmony. Contrast involves using differences in color, size, shape, and typography to create visual interest and highlight important elements. Alignment ensures that elements in a design are visually connected and organized. It creates a sense of order and improves readability. Proximity is about grouping related elements together. It helps organize information and improves the overall clarity of the design. Repetition involves using consistent visual elements, such as colors, shapes, and fonts, to create unity and reinforce the design's message. Composition and layout. A well-designed composition and layout are essential for guiding the viewer's eye and conveying the intended message. Let's explore some important considerations. Grid systems. Grids provide a framework for organizing elements within a design. They create consistency and help maintain balance and alignment. Hierarchy. Establishing a clear hierarchy ensures that the most important elements stand out. It guides the viewer's attention and improves readability. White space or negative space refers to the empty areas in a design. It gives elements room to breathe and creates a sense of elegance and clarity. Design process and tools. Now that we understand the theory, let's briefly discuss the design process and the tools commonly used in graphic design. Research and planning. Before diving into a design project, thorough research and planning are essential. Understand the target audience, the message, and the goals. Sketching and wireframing. Start by sketching rough ideas and wireframing layouts. This allows you to explore different possibilities and refine your design concept. Software tools. Graphic design software, such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, CorelDRAW are widely used in the industry. They provide powerful features for creating and editing designs. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to understanding the basics of graphic design. By familiarizing yourself with the elements, principles, composition, and tools, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning designs. Remember, practice, experimentation, and continuous learning are key to honing your skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative content.